big boy now, bro. It's big boy.
Whose machine is this? Which machine do you like the best? What color? What's your favorite color?
The green one, right?
Yellow and red.
Yeah. Which one do you like, Jamie?
I like yellow. I like the white and the black. My color are going to go in here.
See, if she doesn't like it, I can take both of them.
Paige, are you excited for your first trip with your new fin trail gear?
First trip when it doesn't have to be with my fin trail gear anymore.
First trip ever?
Yeah.
Damn. Look at that nice fin trail gear, man.
I tried to convince him. I was like, is she riding the Renegade?
He's like, yeah, no.
Fun. She's in the popo. Popo for life. Damn, this is still wet.
Let's go. Put it in four-wheel drive.
Lift it from that side, bro. Lift it from that side.
I'm gonna put down on this. Hold on.
No, you're making weight. Yo, bro, you gotta get out and help me. Lift it from that side.
Back up, back up.
No, but push up my machine. No. Bro, machine is leverage. You gotta lift it from that side.
Oh, it's deep in there, bro.
I don't give a fuck. We're gonna swap this thing, bro. Lift from the front. Lift from the front.
Let me in. So I gotta go through.
Where are you gonna go?
Bro, you gotta lift from the front.
Dude, like it's this deep.
Bro, we're gonna. I'll buy you fucking new clothes. What do you mean it's this deep? Give it a little bit of gas, bro.
Oh, you're in the reverse.
Yeah, I'm going back.
You going back?
Give it a little bit of gas. Go. Keep going. Keep going, bro. I almost fucking swapped this thing. Are you crazy?